Lexus LC 500 hours versus Mercedes SL 400. The luxurious new Lexus LC 500 hours hybrid coupe meets the established Mercedes SL 400 folding hardtop. Aside from the stunning LFA, Lexus's performance coupes have always majored on looks and fallen short when it comes to dynamic performance. But with the LC, the Japanese brand is hoping to change things. We're testing the LC 500 hours hybrid model here that aims to balance head-turning style with electrically assisted performance and, as a result of the hybrid system, respectable fuel efficiency, too. Mercedes SL offers a similar solution to the same problem. While the German car does without hybrid power, it has a different niche with its folding metal roof. The question is, where is your £75,000 or so better spent? Looks, interior quality, impressive ride and refinement, agility given size and weight. Against, frustrating gearbox, perplexing infotainment, visibility could be better. There are a number of intriguing details about the LC 500 hours, but it's the styling that grabs your attention. With its concept car shape and sharp, heavily raked roofline, this is one of the best looking coupes at any price. Under that long bonnet, there's no exotic, ultra powerful, turbocharged engine,